Wanna know how to clear your cache in Dragon Ball Z? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily clear out your cache and data in the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your game and install it. So we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, here you should be seeing various options. So once you have started the game, here on the bottom you should be seeing three options, that is news, cache clear and account linking. So since we want to clear our cache, just simply select cache clear right here, and once that is done, here you should be seeing your notice. So your additional data such as your downloads or additional skin downloads or in-app purchase downloads will be removed. So you can just simply select OK if you want to, and once that is done, your cache should be cleared and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.